How to add email in Godaddy. Want to add a professional email to your Godaddy account? Let's set it up easily. First, go to godaddy.com in your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Here you can see the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. A drop-down will appear. Tap on Account Settings. Here tap on My Profile. Scroll until you see Email section. Once you find it, tap on it. Now from here you can add an email address if you haven't yet, or you can also change email address from here. After entering the correct details, click Save and your changes will be updated immediately across your account. Have you ever added your email in Godaddy account? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.